What's up? We're here at WOLFBOX CES 2026. We're taking a look at their booth. They got some cool products that they're launching. We're also probably going to take a look at some of the stuff maybe we've reviewed this year. Anyways, I'm really excited. WOLFBOX sent me really cool things, and they're really nice to work with. So let's see what they got for 2020. See what they got in store for 2026. Welcome to CES 2026. This is WOLFBOX's booth. They're showing a little bit of their stuff that they have going for this year. They got a couple new products and some, old reliable ones as well. They have a special shout out to the Turbo fan that we reviewed earlier on this year. We worked with them a couple times. They're a real great company. I love talking to them. I love working with the people there. They're really friendly. But this is their lineup. We got some more stuff right here. Got a couple different cameras, rear view cameras, car accessories, and then we have another big car accessory over here. Would you be able to explain to me how this works, kind of?
This is it. You guys can plug in. There you go.
So this goes on the truck bed. It's an automatic. It's an automatic cover. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. So this is just kind of the demo unit.
Okay.
Comes with the rails. Comes with the motor, obviously, and it also works.
Comes with a remote or app.
With an app on your phone.
Awesome. How much would this?
I don't know.
You don't know.
They don't have pricing on it yet.
I mean, people that want stuff like this, they probably wouldn't even care.
I already told him. I said, look. We got one for an F-150. I go, that's not good. I got a Ram 2500.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll use yours. We'll put one on your truck.
Nice.
I go, okay, there you go.
Hey, I mean, if
But anyway, and it's waterproof.
That's so cool.
It'll hold up to 800 pounds.
800 pounds.
Yeah, standing on it.
Oh wow. Okay.
So
awesome.
it's a cool little unit. I can't wait till they come out with this thing.
Yeah, I can't wait for this. This is so cool. All right, well, I appreciate you explaining
it
to me.
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit more about the stuff on the back wall, each individual fan, and what exactly they're going to give us. So let's take a look. They have a jump starter, 4,000 amp jump starter. It's a portable battery jumper. This has got 24,000 milliamp hour battery. It's a 4,000 amp peak current, 3-mode flashlight. Somewhere. Where's the flashlight? There's the flashlight. And it's got a storage case. Oh, yes, I love that storage case. Nice and hard. And it comes with a fast charger as well, so. Yeah. In case you ever, your car ever dies on you or something, you could have one of these. You could have one of these little bad boys right here and not be left stranded on the side of the road. That's pretty cool, and it's tiny. It's in a little case, and you can stick that right in your glove box or whatever. That's kind of cool. Right here we have some more car accessory. It looks like a portable air compressor. My parents had one of these portable air compressors in their car growing up, and we actually had to use it once, and it didn't even work. It just broke. But this thing actually looks way fancier. That one was like a $20 Walmart one. But this has got like a screen on it. It's a portable battery jumper, and it can inflate tires. It's got the same size battery, the 24,000 milliamp battery, 4,000 amp peak current. It's basically this, but with an air compressor and a screen. That's pretty awesome. If you see some stuff down here, they have a little bit of what it can kind of do. Like this one with the portable air compressor, you can do 16 bike tires, 30 motorcycle tires. This is all in a single charge. 154 basketballs, whatever, or 24 sedan tires. Like the one that I've used in real life actually couldn't even inflate one tire. Very impressed. This is one of the things that we reviewed right here. The Superpower Turbo fan, basically one of these. I think it might have been an older model. This looks a little bit newer than the one that we got. These things hit hard. I'll blow away all the dust in this entire facility. Look at this thing. Hold on, I got distracted. Look at how giant this is. This is the Megaflow. Which one is it? The Megaflow 500 Pro. This is their biggest air duster. Okay, then we have a smaller one. It's the Megaflow 200. This one's a little more lightweight. Stick it in your pocket, whatever. Yeah, that thing's got some recoil too. Woo! My God. Woo! Okay, and then it comes with I don't even want to know what my hair looks like by the end of this video. But it comes with a bunch of little accessories. You just a quick quarter turn off and on. You can throw on another one. You want to throw on a little tiny one. Be my guest. Lock it in. And now you got a tiny little stream of air instead of regular stream of air. It's super easy to just take the accessories off and replace them too. which is pretty sick. That's it. Like I said, pretty easy to figure out for the first time. I never used any of these before, so it's nice to just, there's a big old power button and a trigger, and that's all you really need to know. You can get in more depth with the speed settings and stuff like that, but they're really easy to figure out just from like a beginner's point of view. Megavolt 24, that's like the Megavolt 16 Air, but there's no air, it's just megavolt. So you get 24,000 milliamp hour battery, and this one, it doesn't have the air compressor in it. It's just your more standard standalone jump starter. If you just want that, you don't need an air compressor. That'd probably be a more affordable option. And we have the Megavolt 12. The Megavolt 12, this one also has an air compressor, 16,000 milliamp hour battery, so it's a little smaller, a little bit more budget than the Megaflow 19. We got some car battery chargers, we got some portable air compressors, jump starters, and we have just big old fans. I think they have a couple more things. They have one more booth over here we're going to take a look at. But yeah, this is their main lineup. This is WOLFBOX, everybody. In case you're wondering, in case you didn't see the video on my channel, this is WOLFBOX. Some tiny dash cams. We got the budget ones kind of down here a little bit. We got just the basic USB plugins with maybe a little gimbal action or a little bit of stabilization. And then up here, we have a little bit nicer ones. We got two mini screen ones, and then we have the two flagship ones. These ones are really cool. They have multiple angles. This one's got 2 angles, and this one has 3. You got your front, you got your rear bumper cam, and you have your rear cam. And you can swipe through these as well. And you can also take a look at that bumper cam in case you get real close when you're backing up in a parking spot, and you're like, I don't even know if I can even see anything anymore. Should I just keep going? There you go, WOLFBOX. Now you know. If your car doesn't come with one of those, then you can add it in. They do actually add like most of these in like some of the really new expensive cars. But if you have like a car that doesn't have the feature available, it's a really cool little addition. Like it's definitely cheaper than buying a car with the stuff already built in, I would say overall. That's your dash cam from WOLFBOX. Pretty cool. They have our car accessories, and they have their big fan. So if you liked it, make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link for some of this stuff in the description. Leave a comment for WOLFBOX. Let them know what they could be doing differently or what you guys would like to see from them next year. And that's pretty much it. I hope to see you guys in the next tech review, whatever it is. And I hope to see you at WOLFBOX booth, CES 2027. I'll see you there.